What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about the plus and equals, or the plus equals in Python. So Python offers a shorthand for updating variables. When you have a number saved in a variable and want to add to a current variable, you can use the plus equals. So we can do number of miles hiked plus equals 2, and it's going to print out 14 here since the original was 12. So above, we keep a running total of the total number of miles a person has gone hiking over time. Instead of just recalculating from the start, we can keep a grand total and update it when we've gone hiking further. The plus equals operator can also be used for string concatenation, like so. So, what an amazing time to walk through nature. So we can also add the plus equals no filter, plus equals blessed. Create a social media caption, but then update the caption to include important social media tags we almost forgot. So we're doing a bit of online shopping and find a pair of new sneakers. Right before we check out, we spot a nice sweater and have some fun books we also want to purchase. Use the plus equals operator to update the total price to include the prices of the nice sweater and the fun books. The prices also included in the workspace are blank. Okay. So we also include the prices. Okay, so we'll do total price plus equals. And again, we're also purchasing the nice sweater and the fun books, right? Like so. And the total will be updated like so. And yeah, that's basically it. And that's just the plus equals in a nutshell in Python. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.